Hello friends, welcome to the channel. We got an awesome unboxing video for you today. We reveal that I didn't go with springs and instead ordered some coils. Alrighty, bring it in. Alrighty, bring it in. You guys see that? CKS. Ooh-wee. A Toyota GSF True R CKS suspension. Alright, so as you see, the box is open because I did open it already. But I'm going to go into it and do an unboxing for you guys real quick. So check it out. Alright. Let's open this bad boy up. What do we have inside? A CKS little manual book. Cornering connection systems. Basically, this is your warranty. That it does come with a 2-year manufacturer defect warranty. We'll hold on to that just in case anything happens to these. You got a sticker, which we're going to put this not on the GSF but on the garage. And let's go and unbox. Alright guys, here we go. Please look at these bad boys, guys. Wow. These are the fronts. I did get the Swift spring upgrade. Those are those. My wife is going to kill me if she saw me doing this on our coffee table, but oh well. There's the other front one. Nice solid metal construction. Stainless steel collar. You got your dust boot and bump stop already in there. This is for the rear. It's an adapter. So you put this on here. The rear suspension. So you could adjust the dampening. I'll show you how this works on the install video. So we got left and right. The other rear shock. And of course you got your spanner wrenches to do some adjustments. Additional pieces for where the brake line's attached to these. And that is basically it. So let me bring you in close up to detail on these bad boys. Alright guys, so some of you might be wondering, Bullets Garage, you made a video comparing the Tanabe springs versus RSR versus Swift. Why did you change your mind and go with coilovers? Well, couple quick reasons I'll give you. Number one is because I had a couple buddies with GSFs that are lower just on springs, and one of them who's out in California had his springs on his car for about 7,000 miles and developed a leak in the strut. One strut in the rear, one strut in the front. Same thing happened to another buddy. His strut was completely blown and he was on stock suspension. So I gathered from these couple experiences that people had is that the stock shocks and struts aren't the most durable out there. So I figured, why install lowering springs if I'm going to have a shock blow on me and leak and give me a shitty ride, and to replace it's going to cost about $250 a pair, where I could just invest a little bit more money and get the full system, damping adjustable, upgraded Swift springs for a fairly decent price. I got this setup from Mod in Japan, from Louis. If you need any assistance, the guy is amazing. Shout out to him. He helped me pick the correct spring rate for the Swift springs. I went with a 14 kilogram in the back. I'm sorry, the front, and then a 10 kilogram in the back. Fully adjustable. That's what he's running on his car. He recommended it, so I dished out the money, got these bad boys, and we're gonna throw them on the car in about a week or so. So stay tuned for that video. I am going to do an install with my brother, Bully Kid. But as you could see, upgraded Swift springs, 10 kilogram in the back, 14 kilogram in the front. The construction of these is top notch. I had Raceling coils on my GTI and they were garbage, nowhere near the quality of this. You could set your preload and then you have a separate height adjustment, so once you set preload, you're not shortening the distance of the spring by compressing it and giving you more rebound. It's all separate. So I'm going to be making a couple videos of how to set proper preload on the spring. That's basically it. Let me get these off the coffee table before my wife comes home and kicks my ass. Stay tuned for the next video, guys. It's going to be a great one. I cannot wait to lower the car, get rid of that, mainly that front wheel gap, which is huge. The back is not terrible, but mainly the front we got to get rid of. So stay tuned for the install video coming up in about a week or so, once the weather warms up a little bit and my brother has some free time so he could record while I do the install. Boom. See you on the next one.